this far. It deserves your respect and attention. Now open your eyes. One of the reasons I want to do this workout with you is because I want to help you get back inside your body, okay? I want to help you get re-embodied. So work with me, all right? Let's begin.